You had some interesting comments about the consumer rotating back into services, back into offline retail, e-commerce normalizing. Stock did trade down a bit at the open, but it's recovered. Can you explain a little further what you were trying to convey?
Yeah, I mean, look, this year has been one of, I think, great uncertainty for entrepreneurs and small businesses, independent merchants. So what we're trying to do is we want to give entrepreneurs around the world the very best chance to create their own certainty. And as you know, at Shopify, we're building this essential infrastructure for this increasingly digital world. We want to allow as many people to participate in entrepreneurship. But on the post-pandemic future, I think two things are really, really clear. The first is retail has changed forever. Online and offline are no longer mutually exclusive, and Shopify is making sure the changes are for the better. We want to ensure that entrepreneurship remains strong. The second part of the post-pandemic reality is that we think Shopify is becoming the default retail operating system behind your favorite brands. I talked about Netflix coming to Shopify, and Diane van Furstenberg, and James Pearce, and Robert Mondavi. And we're betting on a future of commerce which makes it possible for every brand and every merchant to show up in a really unique way. And I think our Q2 earnings demonstrate that omni-channel is not a fad, and that our merchants are driving the economic recovery, and that led to us achieving our first billion-dollar quarter.
Right. We're looking at some stats here. GMV up 40. That's about $2 billion above what the street was looking for. Should investors get used to that kind of beat on that metric?
Well, look, I think in Q2, physical stores in more regions around the world, we're a global company, of course, they reopened their doors, and the merchants achieved the highest GMV ever at $42 billion. In fact, Q2 GMV was 3 times what it was just 2 years ago, and I think that underscores how transformational these last 2 years have been for commerce. Also, at the same time, we're seeing retail sales growing as stores reopen. The U.S. reported that there's about a 60 basis point rise in retail spending from June versus May, and 18% jump in sales compared to June 2020. So the future of commerce, I think, is bright. Consumers really do want to buy from independent brands, and those brands are on Shopify.
Yeah, I mean, Harley, you just said basically that the pandemic has helped fundamentally change retail forever. You just cited some of the strong growth you've seen over the last 2 years. I mean, e-commerce and the shift there, the shift to digitization within retail more broadly, omni-channel, et cetera, has been a secular growth trend for a number of years now. My question to you is, as we do come out of this pandemic, how sustainable are these robust growth rates that you have been seeing?
Yeah, I mean, Morgan, it's a great question. So look, the reopening of the economy is a return to normalcy pre-pandemic. But one thing that will never go back is the way that consumers are buying. E-commerce had this, 5 years worth of advancement and catalyzed in a matter of 12 months, maybe even less than that. And I think that e-commerce is here to stay in terms of being a mainstay on all of commerce. But remember that our version of normal is still pretty spectacular, and the impact of Shopify merchants is stronger than ever. Revenue jumped 57% year over year. GMV is up 40% year over year. And also at the same time as traditional banks are pulling back on things like lending, we funded more than $360 million of capital to our merchants. So I think as businesses are rebounding and the U.S. Commerce Department is reporting things are going well, it's a really exciting time for independent brands and merchants. And I don't think that the future retail is going to be online or offline. It's going to be omni-channel. And as I said on the call this morning, talking about omni-channel is going to be like talking about a color TV in a couple years from now. Every business will be omni-channel by default.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.